Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm teaching this simple makeup look step by step, all the tricks, techniques. I will be doing the makeup series now. So watch video till the end. This is my natural face. I haven't used anything. I've already done skincare. This is a Leon Beauty primer. I use this on a daily basis. Here it is. We'll apply primer on the pore area. See how blur. It is the best primer I've ever seen, and it is so affordable, but it is quite good. So I'm applying primer as a base of makeup. Take a blender, make it damp. This is the Kala's blender. Legal foundation. This is exactly my shade. This cost 1600 rupees. Illegal Pro Matte, because my skin is a combination skin. I use matte foundation, so the shade is light tan. This is exactly my shade. Finally I got it. I got it from Pretty Cake. I'm taking 2 drops and rubbing it on my hand. I am not using any mirror. Do not apply foundation everywhere. Which side are you gonna apply it first? You have to apply foundation like this. Let me apply everywhere and I'll see you. So guys, I have applied foundation everywhere except this area. We are gonna apply concealer here, and let me tell you, I am using all the drugstore product for myself, but for brides or for client we use high-end product. The makeup step is same, just the product, the technique, everyone has its style, that is only different. I'll give you later little gan. So okay, I've applied foundation. We'll use Allegal concealer in the shade porcelain. You can have concealer 1 or 2 shade lighter than you. These are the best concealer I've ever seen. I'm applying little because I'm doing this makeup just for the shoot, and I thought I would record this for you all. Concealer should be applied under the eyes, forehead. If you want a lifted face, then you can apply it like this, or else you can leave it in chin, nose. Okay. How smoothly it blends. When I used to learn makeup, this was the first concealer I've ever used. Till now I'm using the technique of blending under eye. You can apply and blend it as I'm showing you on a video. See. Okay, blend it upward. Do not go downward. Do not go downward. Upward for a lifted face. See, just a foundation and a concealer makes a vast differences. People are still not aware that they think makeup, we apply makeup very much like paint. That's not a real. Every people want a very subtle look, simple base, simple makeup. I haven't layered so much of products. Guys, I have the blushes, but I use this Leon Beauty palette, a lipstick, but I use them as a blush. Good, super good. See, I haven't used that much. I have used this pink shade. Okay, it is so creamy, blends so well. So, do not set your makeup with powder while you are applying cream products. The cream products should be applied firstly. After you finished applying all the cream products, then you can set your face. Okay, let's blend it. See how smooth. These are lipstick. Can you believe it works as a blush? I'm using it since so long. These are best. I love you, Leon Beauty, for this. See, okay, yes, on a camera for real. So pretty color, so pigmented. See, guys, this is not too much. Now we'll set with a powder and it will be balanced. No worry about it. Okay, I'm not applying contour, cream contour. So this is it. My cream products are finished. Loose powder, not compact. Applying this Airspun loose powder. I have this triangle puff. This is from BS Mall. So these are the best. Okay, dusting off all the powder here. Firstly, see the creases are here because I have a loose skin. Many of the people we have loose skin. Now see the base. Before setting powder, you must do a dab, 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 and blend your concealer, blend your blush, and apply it. This same goes here. See how creamy my face looks, oily, glowy. Now see the power of loose powder. All matte. See. How applying here too. You can use compact too, but I do not use compact. Okay, comment down if you want me to do my makeup with all the high-end product and show you how the makeup looks on high-end product. I'm filming this for you all, telling all about product. Otherwise, I do makeup so quickly. Within 10 minutes, 15 minutes, I do all the makeup. Contour is from Technique. Dust it off your products. So I'm give you a technique. You can start contouring from here, like this. Okay, see, mark here. Now you can apply it easily. Do not go downwards. Okay, I took a contour. Oh, see. I love doing contour. I love. See, mm. See the face. See the differences. Now you can apply it here. Same goes for this side. Dust it off and apply. You can apply forehead. If you are not beginner, you can use the contour brush for nose, but I'm applying little here too, applying here, here. I applied contour here too. I love doing contour. So we got the Lift Technique blush. We have 4 shades. I'm mixing all, applying it in a dabbing motion. Do not drag. If you are beginner, you can just smile and you can apply. If you want a lifted face, do not apply here. You can apply here, but I love blush. I love applying it everywhere. Okay. Now blend it. I do sometimes apply here too. This is one of my favorite highlighter. This is from iMagic. The shade is HO2 a Rose Diamond, and this is super good. We used to use this for brides. Okay. You can apply your highlighter, the cheekbone. See the glow. So the technique is contour overlapping blush, blush overlapping highlighter. See the glow. Do not apply highlighter down. See the glow. Oh my god. This is why I say this is the best highlighter I've ever used in my life. No higher end can beat this. You can, if you are going on a night party, you can apply here too. So I haven't used any fan or AC. I'm sweating little. That's fine. The weather is cool here today. So see, the glue, loving it. The base, without any filter, without anything. This is my real camera. I'm not doing anything. I will teach you the technique of applying wing eyeliner in my next video. So for now, I'm just making eye base with the same concealer and applying some powder, loose powder here. I'm not doing anything on my eye. Now we are using this Wet n Wild mascara. I bought it, but I do not prefer you guys to wear this mascara. I didn't like it that much. I use Essence mascara, but I don't know where it went right now. So I'm using this. I'll teach you a technique of removing this to let it dry. I need a fan now. Oh my god, it's waiting. Okay, guys. This is a Mars lip liner. These are the best. I've seen a lot of big artists using this lip liner. See, this is Wet n Wild gloss. So good. I love that. See, um, are we done? Yeah. This is the basic simple makeup. Okay, I'll teach you later. The spoolie. You have a spoolie and do it like this. After it dries, a new technique for you all. See, wear mascara. Hmm? Where? So this is the technique. We need to do lip brows. I'm just feeling. Okay. I need to see your mirror for this. Just a little. Let me add little brows. Do it with a spoolie, and we are done. I'm not applying any setting spray right now because I'm not going anywhere. By the end, after completing the makeup, you guys can apply setting spray. In next video, I'll teach you how to do wing eyeliner. For all the makeup videos, I'll give you a series of makeup videos. I've thought of doing that. So if you are watching me the first time and haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, then please do subscribe my YouTube channel. So I'll do a quick change and I'll come back. Okay, but let me show you. This is the makeup. See, no crease, nothing, smooth base. See, and the simple go-to makeup. I'll do a change and I'll be back. Guys, I'm done with my earring. cheerleader style, and this is my leader. I wore this top, super cute top. We finished this makeup look. So I hope you loved this makeup look. Wait. I am doing a makeup series and I'm teaching each and every steps hack of makeup. I am professional makeup artist. If you want to learn makeup, I'm teaching the makeup to beginners. I'm teaching all the tricks, techniques for beginners. Please do follow me. I will put my Instagram handle here. So let me teach you this makeup look. This is a very simple, subtle makeup look and basic wear makeup look where you can get a lot of technique tricks from me. So yeah, I will put before and after. If you're watching me the first time and haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, then please do subscribe my YouTube channel. So I forgot to add this mic. Uh, Now let me do little um, makeup poses and video before and after. Guys, thank you. Okay. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like the video, and please you can suggest me which makeup look should I create or should I teach you. What confusion do you really have in makeup? And you can suggest me, you can ask me each and everything. Instagram handle is makeup by Ashika, or you can DM me there. I will be responding you all, and please do subscribe my YouTube channel. I will be doing the makeup series now, so make sure you follow me on my Instagram, my YouTube. Yeah. Okay, I hope you liked this makeup look. This is a very simple, subtle makeup look I've created. um yeah.